Fourth game of the game. Team Bagagay versus Team Del Pilar. First fight of Bagagay. Wear jersey number 31 Castillo. Wear jersey number 19 Umatas. Wear jersey number 00 Byron. Wear jersey number 8 Dagublo. Wear jersey number 13 Dakrakin Arciso. And now make some noise sa Team Del Pilar. Wear jersey number 14 Lumon. Wear jersey number 03 Simuhan. Jersey number 17 Tusoy. Wear jersey number 12 Malwinda. And jersey number 6 Ele. Simuhan number 03. This is Bagan. Matinding laro.